Hi everyone, I'm Emily Ellen, the Retro Rad Chef, and I am the hostess with the mostest today. At the Food and Wine Conference, we are doing the first official hashed competition. That's right, Wish Farms Blueberries are coming together as the big sponsor for this throwdown extraordinaire. 8 teams, 8 to 10 people each. We have 1 team captain and a lot of secret ingredients. How are you going to use the star of the show, blueberries? All right, are you ready? Let's go get cooking. Round of applause for Cheryl.
CK Mondavi Merlot infused blueberry gastrique.
All the teams showed fabulous performance in showing blueberries as the star of the show.
The time limits they had, the dishes that they created were just mind-blowing.
I'm telling you, they knocked it out of the ballpark.